guys, how are you all? Martha here. Welcome to my channel, Everything Martha Crafts and More. I have a video for you today, which is a little bit different than how I usually make it because it's like footage from all different days. Like I said, not in my last video with the croquetas, that I hope that you enjoyed it and that you'll try that recipe. But the video before that one, where I tell you about my mom having been in the hospital, well, it's been a little crazy since, and I've been super busy helping her. So this week is gonna be a little hectic because we have a few doctor's appointments going on. So I thought that I would make a video with a plethora of different footages from different days. And so yeah, I'm gonna do that. In there I'm gonna put some footage on some of the birds that I film in my backyard. I have some bird feeders, and so I just love the cardinal birds. Those are, I think, well, my favorite are hummingbirds, but I've gotten very few hummingbirds here where I live, but the cardinals, they always come together, like the male and the female. And so I filmed them one day and it was so cute. You're gonna see. I have some footage on my cat. I have a quick DIY with some Dollar Tree items. It's really quick, so I'm just gonna show you really quick how that came out. Also, I'm gonna show you a recipe that I made on some coleslaw that was really good, like really delicious. So if you like coleslaw, I hope that you stay tuned for that. Like I said, it's like footage from a few different days that I'm gonna put together so I could show you, and I hope you enjoy it. Thank you. I want to thank you, my subscribers, for being part of my channel, and you subscribers, oh my goodness, I want to thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. I hope that you will enjoy my videos. And yeah, so today is April the 4th. Like I said, we have a little bit of a busy week this week with doctor appointments. And oh, I want to show you this that I bought the other day at TJ Maxx because I love it. It's so beautiful, and it says, if you are praying, and praying is in wooden words that are like glued on, if you are praying about it, God is working on it. Isn't that beautiful? I love that. And it was only $5.99. I love that. So I wanted to share that with you. And I have it next to this beautiful little angel that says proclaim, which this is a Mary and Martha product. See? I sell these, but I just love this faceless little angel. I love angels. I collect them. Maybe one day I'll show you the little angels that I have around my house. And then I'll share this one other thing with you. I made this with a little piece of wood from Dollar Tree. And I saw this statement on Facebook, and I really liked it so much that I wrote it down, and I wanted it where I could see it constantly. And it says, suffering is a stepping stone to a greater union with God. And isn't that the truth? Because it is when we're suffering, when we're dealing with some heartache, when we're dealing with a difficult thing that has affected our lives, that we reach out to God the most. And so I really like that, and I want to remember it. And I did these letters with my Cricut and this little hand with the heart inside, because this represents God's hands, and He has love always for us, and He holds us in His hand with love. So I wanted to share that little thing that I made. So I'm gonna go ahead and start this video. I hope that you will enjoy it. Like I said, it's from different days, different footage that I have taken on different days, and I hope to see you soon on my next video, and I hope that you will be there when I do that. God bless you all. Take care. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Okay, so let's start this video with 2 quick and easy decor DIYs that I made using all Dollar Tree items. I hope you enjoy. And I thought I'd give you a quick glimpse of where I placed these two little decor pieces, which I think are adorable. I put them in my dining room cabinet, and if you haven't checked out the video where I made this mural, I did it with Dollar Tree coasters. I hope you'll check that out. And here's a little glimpse at some of my other decor pieces in my cabinet. And here is DIY number 2, and it is also very quick and easy. Isn't this little air plant so cute? And here's how my second DIY turned out. I think it's so pretty, and all I have to do is remove the little lamp part and replace it with a new one when I want to change it. My daughter brought Patti to our home around 9 years ago. She was left in a box in the front of the animal clinic where she worked, and she has a little problem with one of her eyes due to a bad infection that was not taken care of when she was first born. She is so much fun to watch playing, and so I just wanted to share a little bit of footage on her having some fun with her favorite toy. And as I've gotten older, you guys, I have become such a bird watcher. I enjoy watching the birds so much and how they interact with each other. And I always get these cardinals at my feeder, and the female and the male always come together. And you'll see in this short little piece of footage how they end up together in the pole and they sort of give each other a kiss. It's just so cute. And let's not overlook the woodpecker who's feeding right now. Isn't he just beautiful as well? So believe it or not, guys, this is the very first time I ever made coleslaw. And so I wanted to give it a little bit of a different spin on regular coleslaw. And so you're going to use 1 cup of mayonnaise, some salt and pepper to taste, some Dijon mustard, apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon of sugar, a little piece of onion, a little piece of celery finely cut, and there's my container right there ready to start preparing it. And I'm gonna also add 1 apple. And oh my goodness, you need to try this recipe. I have my onions, celery all cut up. I'm gonna pour out my 1 cup of mayonnaise, add all the other ingredients, and mix it really well. Now you want to mix these ingredients really well until it makes a really creamy sauce. And you want to make sure to add that teaspoon of sugar because you want there to be a balance between the acidity of the vinegar and the sweetness of the sugar. And here's my apple, my onion, and my celery all cut up into small pieces. And now I'm going to mix it all up. Like I said, you guys, this is the very first time I made coleslaw and it was a hit. I hope you try it. I also decided to add some lemon herb vinaigrette dressing from Wishbone, and boy did that give it a good taste. I went ahead and added the sauce a little bit at a time because I didn't want it to be too mushy and with too much sauce. So I added it a little bit at a time and it pretty much used up the whole sauce. So 1 cup worked out really well. And there it is, you guys. I just put it in the refrigerator to cool off. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna give you a look at my pineapple, and it's getting really big. I did promise you a video on that, and I will deliver. Thanks for watching, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you on my next one. Bye. Thank you.